Hello, Susiekins and Susie Queens. This is your WWE YouTube World Sushi who is the winner of the world, and you can acknowledge me as the head of that sushi buffet. So this is a level boo today here. Thank you for thank you for nice comments in this YouTube channel. Thank you, because I want to see you guys. I want to see you guys in person. If you want to see me in person, if you live in the South Hills or go to the movie theater, what you do is go walk up to me, talk to a bit, and say hi, pixels, or TikTok dances, or autographs. I will do that. So if you want to do it, please come to see me. So yeah, so this is a good episode here. I mean, food review today. My dad made this channel. Thank you for my dad, by the way. So we got beef and broccoli. If you love beef and broccoli, this is the comments below every video here. It's Asian. I love Asian. If you love Asian, please comment below. So let's go dive into our food review today here. Alright, we got pebbles, broccoli, and beef. And some rice underneath. So first, beef. So see how this is this. That's delicious. Pebble, so see how this is this. Wow. That is, wow. Broccoli. So see, this is his taste. Wow. That is so delicious. And now, my favorite rice. Sushi ever since. Wow. That's delightful. Wow. And that is it, guys, here. Because I love eating food on YouTube. Thank you. Give me a lot of subscribers on my post channel. 700. Okay, I got 50 on my second channel. Please give my subscribers on my second channel to wait. That's my post channel. Because so yeah, that's it, guys, here. And I'm done editing my a vlog for last Wednesday. I will post it up after this. After that, and then I watching Sunday with the Saints. If you love Sunday with the Saints, I will see the comments below on this video here. And then that is it, guys, here. And that is it. So thank you for watching our videos. You can do this. You can sub a like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on your notification bell. Never miss an upload. And please, when second enables, sponsor me on this YouTube channel, this Skin Sushi channel, and this Experience channel too, please. And please, share out to your family and friends. And please communicate with me. And please follow me at Facebook, Instagram, Substack, TikTok, and Twitter. And even though with that, I have 2 words for you. Sushi, yeah!